Hello everyone. Some pets never sit still. They're always chasing something. A scent, a sound, a new adventure. And that's exactly how it should be. Because pets aren't meant to stay in one place. But every adventure deserves a little extra protection. Introducing the Genie Pet Tracker Kit Android for small and big pets. Designed for curious pets and caring pet parents. Lightweight, breathable, comfortable for everyday wear. Perfect for cats, small dogs, and daily adventures. The adjustable fit keeps it secure without compromising comfort. And for added safety, the collar features a breakaway design, helping protect your pet during unexpected situations. Inside every kit is the Dolphin Rex Android tracker, already included, already ready to use, securely held in a custom-designed silicone case. Built to stay in place, even during active play. Simply pair it with Android Google's Find Hub, and you're ready to go. Need to know where your pet is? Open Android Google's Find Hub, location on the map, and get directions instantly. Nearby but out of their location site, make the tracker ring. And if your pet ever wanders too far, Report Lost Mode can help update its location through the Android Google's Find Hub network. But protection doesn't stop there. Anyone who finds your pet can simply scan the Genie QR tag. No app required. View emergency contacts, important pet information, and details that can help reunite your pet faster. Two smart layers of protection, one complete pet safety solution, Genie Pet Tracker Kit for Android, freedom for pets, peace of mind for pet parents.